Hi folks, welcome to today's video, sciatica nerve pain relief exercises. Now this is for people out there suffering from sciatica nerve pain, which can be caused by herniating bulging discs, perhaps something like piriformis syndrome, some muscle compression issues. We're going to be tackling those today. Now before we do, if you do enjoy the content I bring to you on a weekly basis, please hit that subscribe button, okay? I do create content for those suffering from lower back pain issues, sciatica nerve pain, bulging discs, herniated discs, etc., etc. If you want me to help you guys create content for you, please hit that subscribe button so you're notified when I upload something new for you. All right, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, folks, so we're going to go over here 6 sciatica nerve pain relief exercises. I'm not going to get into the depths of all the physiology behind the sciatica nerve pain, etc. I just want to get these stretches, exercises out to you guys to hopefully give you some relief, okay? Now, this is a kind of follow along routine. I'm going to go through exercises as I would if I was suffering from sciatica nerve pain myself. I will not hold them the entire duration because I don't want to make this video too long, okay? But I'm just going to go through them segmentally and give you guys instructions on how you should be doing them at home. So, first exercise, it's called a McKenzie Push Up, McKenzie position. We're going to be lying on the ground, like so. And I want you to bring yourself, first position is going to be your head in one fist, like so. Make a fist, and you just relax, okay? And the idea behind this is if you do have sciatica nerve pain caused by herniated disc, bulging discs, this particular extension maneuver, hypothetically, will help potentially the disc reabsorb, get pushed back in to that canal, and it can take some relief off of the sciatica nerve. Perhaps the disc is pushing on that sciatica nerve. So, first beginning movement is just one head-on fist. You can advance to 2 fists, and you can advance a little bit further. This is no pain, up onto your forearms like this. Now you want to stay here for 2 minutes, okay? So 2 minutes in your position of choice. I say first position's here, second position 2 fists, or third position. 2 minutes in this position. Now, if your sciatica nerve pain is likely caused by a herniated bulging disc, I would recommend you check out decompression stretches. There's a video that's going to pop up at the end of this video, which is a specific decompression stretch that I show you for sciatica nerve pain relief. So stay to the end of this video and you can check out that video after that. So after 2 minutes in this position, we're going to relax down. Let's take a breath. And we're going to rotate onto our back here. Now, crushed my microphone, that's okay. So we're going to be stretching out the glutes a little bit here, okay? The sciatica nerve runs under your glutes. Sometimes when we stretch off some of the musculature, fascia around the glutes and hips, you will get sciatica nerve pain relief. So I'm going to talk you through this. We're going to be holding these stretches for 30 seconds on each side. So we're going to do the right glute first. So all you need to do is put your right ankle across your left knee. You're going to pick up the left knee, okay? Now I want you to turn the outside edges of your foot out, okay? So the outside edge is turned out, yeah? Both feet. Then bring your toes back towards your knees, both feet. Take your hand, depending on your flexibility, either behind this knee here. I put one hand on top, one hand behind. Relax the shoulders down and just gently pull this left knee towards the left shoulder. And you should feel a stretch running down the right glute region, okay? Make sure you keep those outside edges turned out, not relaxed in, turned out, okay? And we're gonna hold that for 30 seconds. Don't hold your breath, just breathe naturally. Okay, don't be bouncing the stretch. Okay, it should just be nice, comfortable. You should feel the stretch on that area. And just count it down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gonna relax off, and then you're gonna switch sides because sciatica pain, it can be both sides, it can just be one side, it's more common on the right side, but it can affect the left side as well. So it's good to do both sides to make sure the body's nice and equal. Again, cross the legs over, outside edge, out, okay? Here, 30 seconds, and just hold. Just relaxing the shoulders, relax the upper body, breathing normally. Don't hold your breath when you stretch. Don't bounce when you stretch. Okay, just hold that position. It's always to your individual maximum, remember. Keep going. And let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good stuff. Relax. Now, I would like you at home to do one more on each side. One more stretch on the right side, and one more stretch on the left side. Okay? After you've done that, 30 seconds each side, you're going to come back into this position. I'm going to take your right leg first. Take the hands behind the knee. Okay? Now, if the sciatica pain is in your right leg, I want you to extend the right leg very slow, very carefully. You'll start to feel the sciatica pain potentially increase. Get a little bit, pull more. Okay? Pause at that point, and then just bring the leg back. So we're actually gliding the nerve a little bit here. It's a very basic sciatica nerve glide, what we call nerve glide or nerve floss. So you go up, 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 to the point where you feel it start to pull, start to tug, pause for a second, and bring it back, okay? Now if you don't feel it, okay, you can go a little bit further, of course, and then as you get to the top, pull your toes down towards your knee, straighten the leg, you'll feel more of a hamstring stretch here. That's perfectly okay, okay? It all depends on how severe your sciatica nerve pain is. As I say, if you've got sciatica, if you feel it starting to tug, you go to the point where you feel the tug, pause for a second, and then bring it back, okay? If you have no sciatica nerve pain, or you can go a little bit further, go as far as you can, pull the toe down towards the knee, hold for a second and back. And you want to do that 10 to 15 times on each side, okay? You finish one side, take the next side, same thing. And I say, even if the sciatica pain is on this side and you've got no issues on that side, still do this side, okay? I want to keep the body balanced. So you do both, so there's two sides to every story, of course, right? Keep things balanced. That's good. You're stretching out the tissues. So that's 4. And again, you're going to go all the way to 10 to 15, okay, within your limits, within your range. Now, after that particular movement, I'm going to change again. We're going to sit up, okay? And I have to show you a couple of different angles. We're going to stretch a different part of the glutes this time. More the sort of glute side, more the glute medius, right, in this position. So I'm going to show you from the front, and from the side. So I'm going to sit up tall here. Make sure I'm in shot. And I want you to take, we're going to do stretch the right side first. Sorry, stretch the right side first, yes. I want you to move the right leg out to the right. Bring the left leg across the midline. So this is my midline here. I'll bring it across the midline. Then I'm going to take my right leg, take it, pick it up here, clasp it, bring my right hand across it like I'm hugging it, and I'm going to pull this knee towards my left shoulder. As I do that though, my left leg, I lock the knee, I pull the toes back towards my knee, I put the inside edge in. So it's not out like the previous stretch, it's in. I turn the inside edge in, toes back, across the midline, knee down. I lock all that in position. Then I take my right leg, I pull it across like so, and I pull it up. I sit up really tall, I pull this knee towards that shoulder. I pull and squeeze and I hold. And you feel the stretch around the side of the glute here. Now from the side, just to show you from a different side here, I'm here. So I don't want to be crunched over. I want to be sitting nice and tall, tuck my chin in, make a double chin, I'm not tilted back. My chin's not in my chest. Okay, I want to be level here, and I sit up tall. Okay, I'm going to hold it for 30 seconds, all right? 30 seconds one side, and relax slowly. I'll show you guys again from here. So I'm going to stretch the left side. So we bring the right leg across the middle, like so. Lock the knee, inside edge turned in, toes back towards the knee. Take the left leg, I'm still square. Across here, okay. Bring it in and sit up nice and tall and bring this knee towards this shoulder. And we're going to hold for 30 seconds. I'll just run through this with you. So we're looking at about another 15, 20 seconds. Just breathing naturally. Chin in. Again, we're not down here. We're not tilted backwards. Okay. To keep your head nice and level. relax, just pull in tight, keep that stretch on. Let's go for 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, relax. So we're stretching the tissues around about the hips, okay, which can affect them, compress the nerve and cause issues. We're going to move now onto the inner thigh. Okay, this is the adductor muscles here. Now, I'm going to have to move these mats out a little bit because this carpet is quite abrasive on your bare skin knees. So I'm going to show you this from a couple of different angles. That's what we want to do. You want to open your knees as wide as they will go, okay? As wide as you can manage. You want to put your ankles in line with your knee there. So not inside, not outside, in line with your knee, all right? Both sides, in line with your knee. Hands under my chest. Okay, so that's the start position. Now I'm going to switch from here to the side so you can see what happens next. So I'm here like so, here. Now see my back is arched right now. What I want you to do is squeeze your glutes, tuck your tail under, and as you do that, you'll feel a big stretch take place in the inside part of your thigh. Okay, squeeze your glutes and you hold that stretch. Again, the head's not falling down. It's not tilted up. Okay, tuck my chin in, and I hold that position. I'll show you from the back. You get to see my butt. I do apologize, YouTube, if this is offensive. So it's wide, okay? Ankle in line with the knee. Arched, and then I slowly increase, squeeze my glutes, tuck my tail under, hold that stretch. I'll spin around. You don't want to look at my butt any longer than you have to. Okay, here. Here and here. And you hold it for 30 seconds. Okay, you hold that position, squeezing glutes all the time. Keep my chin in, don't let the head drop. And relax off. Just bring the feet closer together. Relax, push back. Okay, and then you're gonna do it one more time. All right, so slowly, carefully, walk the hands out. Open the feet there, so again, ankle, heel in line with the knee. Here, knees as wide as I can go. Tuck my tail under, breathe, hold the stretch. So you guys go for 30 seconds, then you're gonna relax off. Now the next stretch is gonna be for the hip flexor group here, at the top of your thigh. Again, this is all about trying to mobilize and decrease tension throughout the hip region, which can affect and compress that nerve. It tries to loosen up and mobilize, around about your pelvis and your hips. If there is a spinal issue, it's going to at least mean that your body is actually level, it's moving well, okay, to reduce stress on the potential herniated disc or bulging disc, etc., what you may have, which could be the root cause of the sciatica nerve pain. So, next up is going to be hip flexors. Again, I'm going to show you this different positions. So, we've got one knee on the ground here. I'm about hip width apart, a little bit wider for stability. Then I'm going to kick out my back foot, like so. Kick it out there. Okay. Now I've essentially rotated my femur inward, okay? Inward rotation. Kicked out the back leg. Okay, now we're going to bring the hands in front. We're going to turn the fingers down towards the ground and pull them back, okay? Like so. Tuck my chin in. Now what I want you guys to do, I'm going to show you from the side here. The stretch, you want to activate it by squeezing the glutes and tucking your tail under. So squeeze my glutes, and this activates the stretch on the front part of your thigh. You keep the glutes squeezed, you hold, maintain that so you feel the stretch consistently. Upper body, you project the arms forward. Okay, so I'm pushing forward, keep my chin tucked in, and it's just a constant tension, not overly forcing it. It's just constant tension. So I got a frog in my throat today, I think. Protein shake did not sit well. Squeeze the glutes under, squeeze the glutes under. Feeling the stretch in the front part of your thigh, hip flexor region. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Relax slowly. And then we're going to change sides. Again, I'll show you different positions. So we're here. Kick out the back leg. Okay. Still keep myself square. Squeeze the glutes. Oh, I feel that already without my arms. Bring the hands in, project forward, chin down, breathe. The more I squeeze those glutes, the more I think about my tail getting tucked under, the more I get a stretch around the front part of my thigh. And again, you're going to do 30 seconds, okay? Relax slowly, and then move into the other side, all right? So guys, listen, we've got the McKenzie Push Up, then you move into the Glute Stretch, then move into the nerve gliding hamstring curl stretch. Then we move into our seated side glute stretches. Then we've got the adductor inner thigh stretch. And then number 6 is our hip flexor stretch, okay? Now, those exercises are designed to help relieve your sciatica nerve pain. I actually have a free guide. It's in the description down below. There's a link there. Go to that link. You can actually click, fill in your details, and download us a really nice little PDF guide which goes through some of the stretches, also how to sleep with sciatica nerve pain, how to set up your workstation with sciatica nerve pain. It's just an extra little bonus for you guys as well. So please go and check that out and download that. It's for free. It doesn't cost you anything at all. We'll just pop your name and email there and you'll get it straight to your inbox. I hope these stretches have been useful for you guys. Please, any questions, comments, hit me up in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check out that video which is going to pop up soon about the decompression stretch for sciatica nerve pain. And have a great day, and I'll see you guys all next time. Take care.